There's been some debate about how it got started, and I've heard different things. I don't know if that's something that you're able to answer, is where it came from and how it got started.
Well, as I said, science is like a puzzle. You get one small piece at a time and you try to make it complete. But so far, so good. We still don't have a lot of the pieces. We are still trying to find it. It's like a puzzle, and we got that got lost somewhere, and you managed to get some of the pieces, but not all. But we will find it. So far, the things that we know the best is that coronavirus are viruses that are common in mammals, and they are common in a lot of other animals, but we have them well established in mammals. We look at and we try to compare the virus we have with the virus other animals have, and the best match so far were bats, meaning that probably bats were the start of it. But the virus from the bat is not good for humans. Good that it's not good for humans. It doesn't work good on humans. So we speculate, we think that there was an animal between the bat and the human, and we still didn't find which animal this is. At first, we thought it was the pangolin because it's a common animal in China. But again, the virus from the pangolin do not work well in the humans. So it's quite not there. There must be someone, that must be any other mammal that we still did not find, that is going to be the link between the bat to the human. So probably the story goes that there is a bat in the forest. It gets in contact with some mammal, we don't know which is, let's say a pig, let's say something. And then these animals start to get this virus, and it improves, the virus improves in them so that it's well established in this animal. And then humans get in contact with this animal through farming, through hunting, through anything. And then the virus starts jumping from this animal to the human. And then it starts improving in the human, because probably this animal, it will not work good in humans. So it has to have a lot of events happening so that, oh, this one is good. This one will start to multiply, and then again, it will start passing from one human to the other. So far, that's how the story goes. It was not made. It doesn't have. We have the technology to know when a virus is made, and there's no clue in there saying it was man-made. So the ones who spread this don't know what they're talking about. The clue so far says it began on a bat. It passes through some mammal. We still don't know what it is. And then from this mammal, it passes to the human. And that's how it goes. I hope it was answered.
Thank you. No, that super helps me, because we heard bats a lot, but we didn't hear that missing piece that I guess scientists are still trying to figure out.
Yeah, we're still trying. We still didn't find it. There are like pangolins and minks and a lot of animals that were in the list, but it doesn't fit the history.
Right.
It's not this coronavirus infects a lot of mammals. So we have to try to find it. Oh, this got after the human, so it was the human, from the human to this animal, or it was from this animal to the human. So sometimes the history doesn't match. So far we didn't find the perfect like piece of puzzle that will fit. Oh, that was the one. Okay, so bats, this one, humans, and other animals.
We could skip to what is RNA, because that's in how the virus, I think how our vaccine helps to fight it is the RNA, right?
Okay, yeah, that's a nice question, but it goes back to cellular biology. And what is a RNA? Oh, I have something. Oh, I think you might like it. It's a cell I made. It's kind of a half cell. It was cutted. And we have, oh, the purple one is the nuclei. I don't know what's,
Yeah.
That's in English. Yeah. So the cell, it has to have, it's like a code of what should I do? I don't know what to do. So what the cell can do is in the DNA, and the DNA is inside the nucleus. But the nucleus, it has a membrane that keeps the DNA protected inside of it. So you can't access the information directly from the DNA. You need something to give a message. And the rest of the cell is the mechanics that make the cell works. And that you'll have instructions to make a protein, make a lipid, make a something. And these messages are written in the DNA in your nucleus, but they don't get to the machinery. You have something to make them get there. And that's where the RNA gets in. The DNA makes a copy that's not really a copy. It's slightly similar, but it's not similar. The information is the same, but they use different molecules. And this molecule, the RNA, are released from the nucleus and gets to the other machinery, where this is the reticulum, and we have the ribosomes, and they are going to make the proteins. So this RNA will go from the nucleus to these ribosomes and start making proteins with the information they got. And these proteins are going to start making the information the cells need. And why does the virus uses RNA to get this information? It cheats. It's a cheating thing. He knows our cells are going to answer to the RNA inside of them to make whatever they are telling they to do. So doesn't matter where this RNA comes from. So the virus packs some information for making, oh, okay, I'm going to show this. Oh, I made a little coronavirus. And inside this coronavirus, there's this RNA that's going to say, make this membrane, that's the green, make this protein, the purple one, make this other protein, the red one, and assemble this all together. And that's what's written inside the RNA, inside the virus. And they is going to throw this RNA inside the cell, and the cell does not know where it comes from. It just obeys. Okay, I got this information. Let's do it. And they start doing the membrane, they start doing the proteins, they start doing everything, and they assemble everything. And then that's how the virus multiplies. So the RNA is the molecule that gives information to your cell about what it is supposed to do.